डियर स्टूडेंट्स, अस्सलाम वालेकुम। अगर आपको याद हो तो लास्ट लेक्चर सिलवाल के हवाले से था। तो सिलवाल में हमने जो पहला फिक्रा पढ़ा था, हमने कहा था कि सिलवाल itself is non-living but it is secreted by the living part of the cell, and that living part of the cell is called protoplasm. तो थोड़ा सा मैं डिटेल आज आपको बता रहा हूँ 2-3 मिनट्स के लिए कि प्रोटोप्लाज्म क्या है। सो प्रोटोप्लाज्म the living matter of the cell, the living matter of a cell is called protoplasm. The living matter of a cell is called protoplasm. या दूसरे अल्फाज में अगर हम थोड़ा सा इलाबोरेट करें इसको, so this it is a semi-fluid substance, a semi-fluid substance with changing consistency, with changing consistency is called protoplasm. Let's suppose ये एक cell है. This is one cell. This cell has a boundary called plasma membrane. Plasma membrane. Then the plasma membrane is covered by a cell wall. Plasma membrane is covered by a cell wall. That is enclosed by a cell wall. Now, this living matter, this ground substance within the plasma membrane, this is the living matter and it is called protoplasm. So protoplasm that occurs in the form of semi-fluid substance with changing consistency. Semi-fluid substance means it is a combination of organic molecules, inorganic molecules, it includes water, it includes different salts, it includes soluble molecules, it includes insoluble molecules, that collectively a living matter, a ground substance within the plasma membrane is called protoplasm. Now, protoplasm with plasma membrane, इसको क्या कहेंगे? Protoplasm with plasma membrane, अगर दोनों को कंबाइन करें, this is protoplasm. This protoplasm, it has soluble part, insoluble part, soluble molecules, insoluble molecules, organic molecules, inorganic molecules, salts, water, etc. Collectively हम इसको living matter कहते हैं. This living matter with plasma membrane is called protoplast. फिर नाम क्या होगा? Protoplast. So protoplast, the protoplasm with plasma membrane without cell wall. If the cell wall is removed, without cell wall, with no cell wall, that is called protoplast. Protoplast is a combination of protoplasm and plasma membrane without cell wall. The term protoplast that is generally used in plant cells. Plant cell में ये इस्तेमाल होता है, ये common है plant cells में. Plant cell में ये commonly use होता है protoplast. Animal cell में इस्तेमाल नहीं होता. अभी इसके अलावा एक और टर्म है cytoplasm. और तीसरा है न्यूक्लियोप्लाज्म. जिस तरह मैंने कहा कि प्रोटोप्लाज्म that is a combination of protoplasm and plasma membrane. फिर इसके बाद, now this protoplasm has two parts. One is cytoplasm and the other is nucleoplasm. The protoplasm has two parts. Cytoplasm and nucleoplasm. So what is cytoplasm? Cytoplasm, that is the ground substance between the plasma membrane and nuclear membrane. First करें, this is nucleus. Let's suppose this is nucleus. This is nucleus. This is the nuclear membrane, nuclear envelope. The ground substance between, look at this one, the ground substance, this one, the ground substance between nuclear membrane and plasma membrane is called cytoplasm. Again, cytoplasm is a semi-fluid matrix containing different organic and inorganic molecules. It is translucent, जिसको हम नीम शफाफ कहते हैं. Transparent means शफाफ, translucent means नीम शफाफ. ठीक? So it is a translucent semi-fluid matrix between the plasma membrane and nuclear envelope. This is called cytoplasm. While the ground substance inside the nuclear membrane is called nucleoplasm. Now this is nucleoplasm. Look at this one. Nucleoplasm. This is nucleoplasm. Nucleoplasm, the ground substance of the nucleus. इसको न्यूक्लियर सेल भी कहा जाता है. The nuclear cell of that is called nucleoplasm. मैं समराइज कर रहा हूँ. Come to the conclusion. The nuclear cell within the nuclear envelope is called nucleoplasm. The ground substance of the nucleus is called nucleoplasm. Then the ground substance between the nuclear envelope and plasma membrane is called cytoplasm. Nucleoplasm plus cytoplasm collectively known as protoplasm. The protoplasm with plasma membrane is called protoplasm. Okay, thank you very much.